everybody, today in this video, I'll be ranking all, that's right, you heard that right, all of the roller coasters at Kings Island. Finally, I did not miss out on I mean, Great Pumpkin Coaster, but still, I did not miss out on one credit, and I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, yes, finally. And yeah, so yeah, I'm ranking all the roller coasters at Kings Island, so, I mean, well, shit, no, I'm just kidding, we can't get right into it, because you guys know what I'm about to say. If you are new here and you like what I post, consider subscribing to the channel. We are so close to 500 subscribers. Please, just do it for me. Come on, I really need it. No, seriously though, I'd really appreciate it if you guys got me to 500 subscribers, because I have something really funny planned for that, and I've been saying that for probably 8 months now. Actually, probably a year, actually. Now, whenever I hit 100 subscribers, I kept on saying that. Anyways, I have a special offer going on right now over on my Patreon. So, if you guys have even looked at it, live streams are only available for the highest tier, the front row members. But I'm doing a special right now, a 4th of July special, where all members can join in on a live stream this Friday, probably at 7 or 8 o'clock in the evening. I'll have all the full details on my Patreon. But yeah, you can join today for any tier members that you want. You can see all the perks you get. But, all for the Friday, the 4th of July live stream, that'll be for everyone, so that is a special going on right now, so be sure to go check that out. Links will be in the description below, my goodness. But I mean, yeah, to go follow my Instagram and TikTok, and yeah, that's kind of all I got. Alright, cool, on to number 14. Alright, number 14, Great Pumpkin Coaster. Cool. Number 13, we have Flying Ace Aerial Chase. Yeah, this ride sucks. I wouldn't ride it again. I don't know how, but the entire train shakes. And I mean, that's really it. It's a family coaster, and it's really bad. All right, moving on. Number 13, Woodstock Express. I actually have ridden a clone at this at King's Dominion, and it was actually one of my first coasters I've ever ridden too. But so I was expecting kind of the same experience at Kings Island. No, this one was rougher. This one was just rougher. I mean, there's no way to put it. From what I remember, again, the last time I rode Woodstock Express at King's Dominion was years ago. So maybe I just don't have any memory of it at all, and maybe I was like, I don't know, 5, and I, just, okay, I wasn't 5 years ago, okay, whatever. All right, moving on to number 12. At number 12, we have Adventure Express, the aerodynamics mine train that everyone underappreciates. Well, yes, this is a really, really janky ride, and it is one of the lower tiered ones that I have been on, but it's still a nice ride. Like, you start off with no lift, which is really interesting to me, and I don't even care that the end is a chain lift. Like, I genuinely don't care at all. I mean, it's a mine train, guys, so you can't really overhate it that much because of a freaking lift hill. Backlot Stunt Coaster is coming in at number 8, and this one is way better than the one at King's Dominion. But know why? The effects. The effects are actually working. There was fire, gunshots, and helicopter noises, and, the lights were actually turned off in the tunnel, which actually I appreciate because of the fact that it adds to the experience, I guess. I really don't know how to put it, because whenever I rode the one at Kings Dominion, the lights were on, and I have it on camera, so that's actually a unique experience that I've heard from someone, which I think is actually really cool. But yeah, Backlot Stunt Coaster is not a bad ride, and it's a good step-up ride from, I mean, all the ones below. I mean, they're amateur rides. I'll say that. How about that? There you go. Alright, getting in the top 10 with Racer. That's free. It's just not It's not Racer 75, which at King's Dominion, which is like not really a good name. But Racer, on the other hand, it's an okay name. Okay. Alright. Yeah, this one is a pretty bumpy, rough ride, and I hit my leg on the restraints like a lot, which is kind of weird for me to say because no one ever really says that. In fact, I don't think anyone's ever said that. I do like the fact that the coasters at like the 2 roller coasters at the end like split apart from each other. I think that really adds to the experience. Like, oh, who's gonna win? And you never do one, or you never know who wins. Sorry, that's how I meant to put it. Which is really, like, I wish they did something about that, but it's whatever. At number 9, we have the Bat. The original B&M invert coaster. I'm just kidding. That's not what that is at all. Please don't think that. It's a good ride. It's very fast. It keeps its pacing. It's good, and it swings. And it's really out there in the forest. Okay, cool. Moving on. At number 8, we have Invertigo, the most underappreciated roller coaster at Kings Island. It's actually a smooth boomerang, which I really appreciate. because based off that smooth experience, they can actually be really fun rides. They're just really rough. Yeah, okay. All right, number 7 is Flight of Fear. It's a rough ride. It's indoors. It has really good queue theming, and it has good inversions. Yeah, cool. Number 6, The Beast. Ah, yes, the most legendary ride at Kings Island, quite possibly in America or the world. I love this thing to bits and pieces. It's such a good ride. Just the journey through the forest is amazing, and the night rides, guys. Oh my goodness, they are amazing. I only got one, but it was probably one of my favorite experiences on a roller coaster ever. It is awesome. So please, if you ride one roller coaster at Kings Island, it's not Diamondback, Mystic Timbers, or Banshee or anything like that. It's the Beast. Just ride the Beast, alright? Alright, cool. Number 5, top 5, we have Banshee, the B&M invert that everyone says has a rattle to it. And yes, there is a rattle to it, but it's not that. This is actually my favorite B&M invert of all time. It's awesome. It's long. It has it has good pacing. It's long. I already said that. Good inversions, good layout, everything. It's good. I like it. It's a good ride. It's good. I think it's good. Yeah, it's a good ride. All right, cool. At number 4, we have. Did I just say number 4? Oh, no, I messed this up. All right. Oh, no. Okay, I'm sorry. Guys, at number 3, I kind of messed up my listing here. All right, number 3, we have Orion, the B&M Giga roller coaster. Yes, it is a Giga coaster. You heard that right. 300-foot drop. It's a pretty big drop. And it's enough to qualify for Giga. It has a full circuit. It's everything. It's good. I will say though, Orion is it underrated or overrated? No, it's probably rated, honestly. Like, it's, it has a really good first drop. Good. I like the wave turn. It's pretty good. The turnaround is a turnaround. Really good speed hill. Good floater hill. The helix, it's pretty forceful. And the ending part everyone talks about is phenomenal. It's awesome. But not as awesome at number 3, Diamondback. Now, I've said for a while that this was my favorite coaster at Kings Island, and then I got some more rides on a certain coaster that I'll mention later. My Diamondback is so cool. The airtime is awesome. The rattle does not bother me. I don't even notice there's a rattle. Like, it's that good. And I like the offset trains. I like it. It's cool. Do you like it? Because I also like it. Alright, that's nice. Alright, cool. At number 1, the best coaster at Kings Island is Mystic Timbers. And that's for one reason only, the shed. I'm just kidding. It's not because of the shed. The shed's cool. I like it. The screen, it's for Cedar Fair theming. It's really good. At least for that time, because they've definitely stepped up their game in recent years. But they've tried, and I applaud them for that. Okay, enough talking about the shed. The ride experience, oh my gosh, is phenomenal. Good airtime, good pacing, out and back roller coaster. It does its job done and quickly. It's amazing. And I think the only reason why I had Diamondback over Mystic Timbers for a while was because of the fact that I felt Diamondback is a longer ride and it had more airtime. But my last ride I got Mystic Timbers, I couldn't help but put this at my number 1 spot at Kings Island. It's so good. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Make sure to comment and like and subscribe or something like that. Comment down below your favorite coaster at Kings Island if you've even been there. And if you haven't been to Kings Island, what is your predicted number 1 roller coaster there? Because I'd actually be interested to hear the comments below about that, because there's a lot of good options. Yes, I did mess up my actual listing. Again, there's a special offer going on right now on my Patreon, so make sure to go check that out and don't miss out on my first ever live stream. That will actually work. At least I hope. But you can only watch it if you're a member. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today, and I'll see you all later. Bye.